We bring new solutions to our customers in order to shape the future of cities. We have 40,000 technicians making over 100,000 visits to our customers every day, serving all different kinds of equipment. When generative AI came out, we saw a huge opportunity of leveraging that technology to make an impact to our technicians. And here came Technician Assistant.
I benefici che ci aspettiamo dall'utilizzo dell'assistente tecnico sono sicuramente la risoluzione dei guasti in maniera molto veloce.
Ha un grosso impatto sul tempo nostro, evitando tante chiamate, tanti contatti da parte dei tecnici.
We started the journey with AWS as our strategic partner. We've been using Amazon Bedrock, so via that we access up-to-date foundation models, in this case Cloud 3. Via AWS, we have access to cutting-edge technologies. With the partnership and co-innovation, we can kick off things fast. And of course, always think about your customer, putting the human in the center.